9, so I know who's down.
Well, we gotta wait a sec because everybody needs to be ready to go because once this goes, there's no stopping it.
Yep, fair enough.
You count by Mississippis or steamboats or whatever you like. L1, 2, 10.
Alright, just for that smart aleck, Mark, you're the official timekeeper. Call it out loud too, dang it.
Nope. It's up to the fighters in the line. Give it a sec here. I think it'd be great to have a big old timer clock. You could set it just had a big bell or something, but I've never seen anything that you can set for repeating along. You know, just set it for 10 and have it buzz or something.
That would be cool.
All right, when it commences, Ivar will start counting. When he yells time, Flan, you're out, Ivar's in, and we'll just work through.
Who's counting at me?
Ivar,
good.
You're the first guy in the pit.
I'm going to be busy fighting.
And go. Time! Good. 1 Mississippi. 3 Mississippi. 4, 5 Mississippi. 9 Mississippi. Time!
You got 2 good legs in here.
Go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Time! Ready? Begin! 1, 2, 3.
Time.
Ivar?
Arm is done.
Woo! Commence. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 7 Mississippi, 8 Mississippi, 9 Mississippi, 10 Mississippi. Time! Yeah. Go! 1 Mississippi. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go! 1, 2, 3. Put the pressure on it. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Time! This match last opponent. Easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Time. You're both out. Call it. Go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Well, this will guarantee everybody to be done.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Every time that 9 came over.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ivar's last fight.
Woo!
No, Ivar still got one more fight. You still have to fight Matt.
Okay.
Oh, okay. I thought I was his last fight.
Were you?
That's
Did you fight him already?
No, we haven't fought.
Okay. Somehow we got our line misadjusted.
Yeah.
Okay. You were behind me somehow.
Right. I think what happened was I stepped out to get a different sword, so
Yeah, you're here. There we go.
Thanks, guys.
Okay. I'm in with Angus. Sorry.
So is anybody counting?
And begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Good.
10. Yeah. Nice. Ready? Begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Remember, this is your idea.
It was my idea.
Ready? Fight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Good! Guys, I think I'm cooked.
Ivar's my last fight.
Call it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Done. Okay, 2 in. Wow.
Is that it now?
No, Angus has to. So each of us gives him a 12 count. Commence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Time! Get it together. Let's finish strong. Commence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, halt.
Give me a sword, somebody.
Need a sword.
Land!
Sword.
We're at 7.
We're at 7. Come
Ready?
in. 7, 9, 10, 11, 12. Time. Somebody give us a 15.
Ready?
All marble.
Begin! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Nice lock, my head.
9, 10, 11, 12,
Again, Mike it.
13, 14, 15, 9.
I couldn't get my shield up.
And that
I had to shoulder that whole blow in there.
Oh, my. I had to feel that one. Holy cow.
Oh yeah. You think? Woo. Great effort. You okay? Oh, never been.